Good morning, students. Welcome back to GK online class. Shall I ask questions, ma? First question: what is an alloy? What is an alloy? An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or of one or more metals with certain non-metallic elements. Okay. Next question. Materials used to produce goods in factories. Dash material. Materials used to produce goods in factories. Dash material. Yes, raw material. The production of goods in vast quantities. Dash production. Mass production. Henry Bessemer first invented the process of mass producing dash an alloy of iron. Mass producing, yes, steel. The country that first went through the Industrial Revolution, Great Britain. System of producing goods before the Industrial Revolution. Dash industry, cottage industry. Richard Arkwright, who established Comfort Mill, is the person credited with inventing the prototype of the modern dash, modern factory. Okay. Next question. Cities growing in leaps and bounds. Cities growing in leaps and bounds. What's the answer? Yes, urbanization. Elias Howe invented the dash machine. Dash machine. Yes, sieving machine. The dash powered engine developed by Thomas Newcomen and James Watt powered machinery, locomotives and ships. The dash powered engine developed by Thomas Newcomen and James Watt. Yes, steam powered engine. James Hargreaves' invention said to be named after his wife, also the short form for the word engine, the spinning dash, the spinning jenny, the spinning jenny. Edward Cartwright's invention, the power dash, helped mechanize the weaving process. The power loom, helped mechanize the weaving process. A sequential organization of workers, tools or machines and parts promoted by Henry Ford is called an dash line, assembly line. Jethro Tull's dash drill made agriculture more productive. Jethro Tull's dash seed drill. Okay. Rapid or heated exchange of words. Crossfire. A connection point by which firefighters can tap into a water supply. Fire hydrant. A large outdoor fire. What's the answer? A large outdoor fire, bonfire. A forest fire. Forest fire, yes, wildfire. To have the opposite result of what was desired or expected, backfire. A huge mass of fire, fireball. Being on fire, a fire. An open space in the wall of your room for a fire. What's the answer? Yes, fireplace. Something that is certain not to fail. Something that is certain not to fail. Surefire. A small flying insect that produces a soft light. What's the answer? Firefly. What's the answer? Firefly. An agreement to stop fighting a war for a period of time so that a permanent agreement can be made to end the war. Say the answer. Ceasefire. A special kind of emergency exit, usually on the outside of buildings. Yes, fire escape. To fail to work properly. Misfire. A computer network security system. Firewall. Okay. Shall we move on to the next lesson? All of you take your book. Turn page number 34. Page number 34. Gerunds. Actually, what is a gerund, ma'am? A gerund is a form of a verb that ends in ing, is used as a noun. Can you say a few examples? Playing, writing. Okay. A part. See, gerunds are sometimes called verbal nouns. Gerunds are sometimes called verbal nouns because a gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. Verb plus ing form. Okay, gerunds. All of you clear, ma? See, what are the gerunds given? Draining, keeping, stir frying, flattening, removing, impaling, shredding, cutting, crushing, pouring, lifting, blunting. Okay. See, A part, gerunds in the kitchen. Gerunds in the kitchen. Fill in the blanks, choosing words from the help box. First one, a box crater is used for dash. A box crater is used for dash. What is a crater? Crater is a device having a surface covered with holes edged by slightly raised cutting edges used for creating cheese and other foods. Okay. So it is used for, you write the answer, shredding. Number 1, shredding. A box crater is used for shredding. Have you completed, ma'am? The next. A collanter is used for dash. A collanter is used for dash. Collanter is a perforated bowl used to strain off liquid from food after washing or cooking. Okay. Collanter is a perforated bowl. You see the picture? A perforated bowl used to strain off liquid from food after washing or cooking. Did you see the picture, ma? Okay. Collanter. So, a collanter is used for dash. Yes, draining. Write the answer. Draining. Okay. Then third one. A rolling pin is used for dash dough. See the picture, rolling pin? You see? A rolling pin is used for dash dough. Say the answer. Yes, flattening. Write the answer, flattening. A rolling pin is used for flattening dough. Okay, ma? Then fourth question. Kitchen shears. See the picture? Kitchen shears are used for dash foods and materials. Did you see the picture? Kitchen shears like scissors. Did you see? Yes, kitchen shears are used for dash foods and materials. Yes, cutting. Write the answer, cutting. Kitchen shears are used for dash foods and materials, cutting. See the spelling, cutting. G is hidden, so you write the answer G there. Okay, ma? Cutting. Cutting foods and materials. Then fifth question. Tongs are used for dash and gripping food. See the picture? Tongs. If you see in your kitchen, it will be there. Okay. Tongs are used for dash and gripping food. What's the answer? Yes, lifting. Tongs are used for lifting and gripping food. The next question, number 6. Woks are used for dash. Woks is a bowl-shaped frying pan used typically in Chinese cooking. See, the picture is given. Did you see the picture? Woks. Woks are used for dash stir frying. Woks are used for stir frying. Okay, ma? The next question, number 7. Skewers. Skewers are used for dash fruits, vegetables and meats. See the picture? Skewers is a long piece of wood or metal used for holding pieces of food, typically meat, together during cooking. Skewers. Skewers are long piece of wood or metal used for holding pieces of food, typically meat, together during cooking. Now see the question. Skewers are used for dash fruits, vegetables and meats. What's the answer? Write the answer. Impaling. Impaling. Okay, ma? 8th question. Funnels are used for dash liquids through a narrow opening. Funnels are used for pouring liquids. Write the answer. Pouring. Okay, write the answer. Pouring. Funnels are used for pouring liquids through a narrow opening. 9th question. An oven mitt is used for dash hands safe from hot pots and pans. Actually, oven mitt, it is an insulated glove or mitten usually worn in the kitchen to easily protect the wearer's hand from hot objects such as ovens, stoves, cookware, etc. Okay, ma? See, an oven mitt is used for dash hand safe from hot pots and pans. Used for keeping. Write the answer, keeping. Okay. The next question. A cheesecloth is used for dash away from curd. A cheesecloth is used for dash away from curds. Cheesecloth, the water part of the milk that remains after the formation of curd. It is used to separate the water part of the milk that remains after the formation of curds. Okay, ma'am. So, 10th question answer. Removing. A cheesecloth is used for removing whey from curds. 11th question. A mortar and pestle is used for dash. See the picture, mortar and pestle? Did you see? Yes, a mortar and pestle is used for crushing. Okay, ma. Then 12th one. A whisk is used for dash. A whisk is used for dash. What is a whisk? It is a utensil for whipping eggs or cream. Whipping eggs or creams. So, a whisk is used for, what is the answer? Blending. A whisk is used for blending. Blending, the action of mixing or combining things together. Blending means the action of mixing or combining things together. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. Then B part. Wisdom in gerunds. Match the columns to get some words of time-tested wisdom that use gerunds. Match the columns to get some words of time-tested wisdom that use gerunds. First one, doing is. Doing is better than saying. Doing is better than saying. Second one, seeing is. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. Third one, a watched pot is long in boiling. A watched pot is long in boiling. Next, it's no use. It's no use crying over spilt milk. It's no use crying over spilt milk. Fifth one, think twice. Think twice before speaking. So what is the order? 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Okay, ma'am? All of you completed? Have you completed? Okay, shall we move on to the next lesson? Page number 35. Road to Freedom. Page number 35. Road to Freedom. Use words from the help box to complete the fact file on the Underground Railroad. What are the words given? Northern, Knox, network, secret, cargo, punished, owners, conductors, freed, stations, hoods, abolitionists, passengers, routes, Canada, runaways. Okay. See, the Underground Railroad was a term used for a dash of people. The Underground Railroad was a term used for a answer network of people. network of people, homes and hideouts that slaves in the southern United States used to escape to freedom in dash United States, northern United States and dash and Canada. Okay, so first blank you have to write network, second one northern, the next one Canada. The Underground Railroad was a term used for a network of people, homes and hideouts that slaves in the southern United States used to escape to freedom in northern United States and Canada. Okay, next sentence. The Underground Railroad was started by abolitionists, those who wanted slavery to be abolished. Okay, who are abolitionists? Those who wanted slavery to be abolished, who consisted of white people and dash slaves. Write the answer, freed. Abolitionists who consisted of white people and freed slaves. Okay. Then the word underground is used for a dash group. The word underground is used for a dash group. Write the answer, secret group. The word underground is used for a secret group. The Underground Railroad worked in complete secrecy because people who helped slaves escape were severely punished. Severely, write the answer, punished. The Underground Railroad worked in complete secrecy because people who helped slaves escape were severely punished. Okay, ma. It organized escape dash to freedom and provided safe houses. It organized escape routes. Write the answer, routes. Routes to freedom and provided safe houses, money, food and clothes for dash. Clothes for runaways. Okay. It organized escape routes to freedom and provided safe houses, money, food and clothes for runaways. Okay. In order to make plans for escape, secret codes, signs and signals were developed that were known to the slaves and dash. In order to make plans for escape, secret codes, signs and signals were developed that were known to the slaves and, write the answer, abolitionists. Okay, but not to slave owners. Not to slave owners. Okay. People who led the slaves along the route were called dash. People who led the slaves along the route were called conductors. Write the answer, conductors. People who led the slaves along the route were called conductors. Hideouts and homes where slaves hid along the way were called stations. Hideouts and homes where slaves hid along the way were called stations. Write the answer, stations. And the escaping slaves were referred to as cargo. Write the answer, cargo. The escaping slaves were referred to as cargo or dash or passengers. Write the answer, passengers. Hideouts and homes where slaves hid along the way were called stations, and the escaping slaves were referred to as cargo or passengers. Have you completed, ma? Then, owl dash, songs, lanterns, passwords, coded dash. Owl hoots. Write the answer, hoots. Owl hoots, songs, lanterns, passwords, coded dash. Coded, write the answer, knocks. Coded knocks on doors and even quilt designs were used to convey messages along the railroad. Okay. Hideouts and homes where slaves hid along the way were called stations, and the escaping slaves were referred to as cargo or passengers. Owl hoots, songs, lanterns, passwords, coded knocks on doors and even quilt designs were used to convey messages along the railroad. Have you completed, ma? Okay. Study the lessons properly. Thank you.